Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the essentials. Enable airplane mode to stop cellular data, then switch Wi-Fi back on so local networks work. Download maps, web pages, podcasts, and any reference files while you still have Wi-Fi. Make sure to install an offline browser and an RSS reader that caches content. This gets you ready fast. Once files are stored, you have usable content without a data plan. Do this now so the rest of the process is instant when you go offline. Next, focus on syncing and organizing what you saved. Use your browser's Save for Offline and your podcast or music app's download feature to build playlists and reading queues. Sync map packages for the regions you need and add language packs if required. Organize files into folders named by topic or trip so retrieval is quick. Once done, set cache limits in apps to avoid automatic purges. Make sure critical material is marked Keep so it remains when storage tightens. Finally, when you need network-like features, connect to local Wi-Fi or use a portable hotspot device without a data plan for LAN services. Use tethering sparingly and disable background sync to preserve stored content and battery. Access saved pages, maps, and media directly from apps or file managers. Once finished, re-enable sync on a trusted Wi-Fi to refresh. If something fails, clear the app cache, restart the device, and re-download any missing files. That usually fixes offline access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.